Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card here at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. And for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And at the cover here of the box you will find another little black box, so just remove it here. And if you open that little black box, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you're able to insert one nano SIM card. So let me place it here. Press it well until you hear the click noise, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you're ready with it, put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question how to insert a physical SIM card. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.